Adding pictures to your Qualtrics survey can enhance visual appeal and provide context for respondents. Here's how to do it. Log into Qualtrics. Go to Qualtrics and log in with your credentials. Open your survey. From the dashboard, find and select the survey where you want to add the picture. Open it in the survey editor. Select question or text block. Choose the question or text block where you want to insert the image. You can add an image to a text block or as part of a question description. Add the text or graphic block. If adding the picture to a new block, click Add Block and select Text or Graphic to create a new block where you can include multimedia elements. Insert image. In the text editor, click on the Rich Content editor. Click the Insert Image button, which often looks like a picture icon. Upload or link image. Choose to upload an image from your computer or enter a URL for an image hosted online. Click Upload or Insert to add the image to your survey. Adjust image settings. Once the image is inserted, you can resize or align it using the options provided in the editor. Save and preview. Click Save to apply the changes. Use the preview function to ensure the image appears correctly and adjust your layout as desired.